Comes really well packed. This crinkle paper. A nice box. That's how it comes. Beautiful. This is butter smooth. You can do flat clamping, clamping on round. And you got two ball joints and then this hinge here. I'm gonna just kind of randomly set this, tighten it down, not too much. And it's impressive how strong of a hold that has, and I don't even have this that tight. Like, it's not even taking that much effort. So now it will move if you go hard enough, but man, that's solid. Yeah, that's well done.
The thing I like about SMALLRIG products is that, you know, when they put their name on something, they're going to make it good. This is an excellent arm, and starting with the teeth that come here on the arm itself. I know you probably can't see that well because it's tiny, but if you lock in on these teeth and it clamps down nice and tight, it stays. It's going to stay in place. It's substantial feeling. Everything on it just feels snug, and you have so many options as to how you can set this up. So it's going to go where you want it to go, and this opens up quite wide. It just feels well made. It feels substantial and reliable. So always, you know, I'm always impressed with SMALLRIG. But, you know, I do like to touch things before I rate them, and I'm going to rate this well because it's a nice piece and it's going to do the job. So thanks, SMALLRIG. Appreciate it.
Psychopath, my dear. What tell you know it's wrong, the next is clear.